take y'all with me so I can see we do a maintenance. As you can see, look like I'm in a cave. That's because I'm in a crawl space. So let me get the outside, and this is where I'm about to go. See, got my light, my bag is right there. I'm about to go in there and service this unit. So bear with me, guys. Might get a little dark at times. Might get a little, so definitely a little cramped, I can tell you that. As I crawl in this crawl space. So for those of you who ask about the pros and cons, this could be a con for a lot of you, because you gotta come down here under this house and do the units. So this is one of the units. Again, just so you see, that's the escape route. Okay. So I'm gonna set up the best way I can so you guys can kind of see what I do under the house when I'm doing a PMA, preventative maintenance. Okay, it might get a little dark. I set up my light somewhere, y'all, and try to figure out how I'm gonna set this up. So bear with me. Let me put my light on right here. Bear with me while I try to set this guy up as best as I can. It's a little awkward down here. Let me get my bag and stuff first. Yeah, this is what it's about, guys. Ladies, this is what you want to do. This is what happens. This is what it's about. Just FYI. Okay. So let me see how I can set this up so you guys can see. See, it's kind of hard to set it up because let me move my bottle. Put my phone here. Let's set it up real quick. Best way I can. Sorry, squeeze my hand. Best way I can. Alright, that might work. That might work. Let's get this light. I don't want it directly on me, because this sucker is bright. So, let me get my pictures of the unit and stuff, or is this kind of close? Because I am in this little crawl space area. But anyway, gotta take my pictures. Always gotta take pictures. Okay. Then got my handy little drill here. Take this guy off. See what it look like on the inside. Get my voltage readings and all my amp readings and stuff like that. Ew, and it got a UV light. Cut that off real quick because of that UV light, and the paper flew up in there, which is crazy. So, get this paper. This was inside, and guess what? It flew up in the motor, the blower motor, the blower wheel. This shouldn't even be in there, to be honest. Like, that's crazy. That shouldn't even be in there. But it's in there. So I have this UV light that's right here in my face. So, let me see here. Put these screws up here. So you're gonna need your multimeter for sure. When dealing with these, it's fairly simple, but I do want to get that amp draw, so I'm gonna have to cut this guy back on and just not look directly at the light. Okay, so you're not supposed to look directly at this light. It's gonna come on, but I'm not gonna look directly at it because I need to get my amp draw. I need to get my readings. So I'm gonna get my pictures of the coil over here. Okay, that guy's dripping a little bit. I see that dripping. Wait for it to kick on so I can get my readings. I like to take pictures of the blower wheel in case the blower wheel needs to be clean. I'll take pictures of that because you just never know. So flip my camera, get underneath there right quick while it's not moving, and get a good picture. think I got a decent picture. Nope, I got a trash picture. Let's try this again. Can't really get a picture of the blower wheel for real. Do the best I can. See what I can get. But anyway, this maintenance is gonna be fairly simple. More so because, like I said, with this type of unit here, you know, you check the amperage over here and make sure everything's in the range it's supposed to be in, and then the condensate pump, flush that guy. I normally put it, since the tubing is like right here, I just pour it in here. Pour it in here real quick. But I'm gonna pause this video and I'll come back to you guys when I get outside. Here's how you rinse off your condenser. Get a water hose, rinse that guy off. All four sides. So we get all the sides. You do this once a year, how you keep your condenser clean. Go out there with the water hose and clean your outdoor unit. Once a year, do this. Keep it clean. Save you hundreds of dollars if you do this. Save you some money and clean your condenser. Thank you.